Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will learn how to crop images using Lightroom Classic. We have a portrait here, and the goal is to focus specifically on the subject's face and shoulders. To begin, navigate to the right-hand panel and select the crop icon. Alternatively, you can simply press the Alt key on your keyboard to activate the tool. Once the tool is active, you will see handles on all four corners. You can click and drag these corners to adjust the frame. If you want to keep the original proportions, make sure to hold down the Shift key while dragging. I will adjust the edges to frame the subject properly. Since I don't mind changing the aspect ratio for this specific edit, I'll just drag the sides freely. After you are satisfied with the framing, hit Enter to apply the changes. If you need to revert to the original view, just use the Command+Z shortcut to undo your actions. Let's try it again. Besides resizing, you can also rotate the image. By clicking and dragging just outside the crop area near the top, you can tilt the frame to your liking. Press Enter once more to confirm the final look. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.